Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel which name is Learning Tube. Today I am going to teach you about loops in Python. With the for loops we can execute a set of statements once for each item in a list, which can be tuple, set, etc. Okay, so what is tuple? Tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable in Python. Tuples are written with the round brackets. So let's okay, I will show you example about tuples. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this tuples. Okay, let's print this tuple. Okay, tuples will with round brackets. Okay, so let's save and run this. Okay, here you can see apple and orange. Okay, so another is what is set. Okay, the set is a collection which unordered and unindexed in Python. Sets are written with a curly brackets. So okay, here example is about list set or set always with curly brackets. Okay, let's do this. Banana. List set. Okay, save and run this. Here you can see banana and so we understand about tuple and set and all the way and a list about list we have made another video in previous, so you can uh, see that video also. So now we are continue with loop. Okay, so let me show you about one of example, very simple example about loop. So I'm going to take a variable name and one of array which is Raj. List of some name. Okay, so now I want to print this all name one by one, so that for that we can use loop. So how we can do this? For x in name and then print x. Okay, save and run this. See Raj, Armi and Sonal. So here is for loop for x in name. So every time x get elements from array and print that. Loop throwing with string. Yeah, so see, even string are iterable object. They contain a sequence of characters. String means a sequence of character, means array of character we can say. So okay, I will so better to understand with example. What can I do? I'm going to take one string. So for x in, I can see Python, then print x. run this. See, Python. So string is on is an array of character, so we can print like this also. So also now next topic is break statement in loop. Okay, so if you want to break the loop which at the some point where our condition is satisfied, so what can we do that with the break statement we can stop the loop before it has looped throughout the whole item. Explain you with an example. Let's again I'm going to take a array like listen b. You can use integer also as a array. It's not necessary to take a string. Okay, so let's put loop name print x. Okay, so we want to loop continue until it's b print. Okay, so what can I do, like x is equal to b, then break. See, when value of x become a b, then loop will be break. So let's run this example history a b. Okay, so next is a range function. The range function returns a sequence of numbers starting from 0 by default and increment by 1. So and also and with a specified number which is in range function. So let's explain with an example. Okay, I want to print range 0 to 6. So what can you do, range specified 6. Okay, now print x. Yeah, okay, see 0 1 2 3 4 5. As I said, that range function is start with 0 and end with a specified number. So 0 1 2 3 4 5, so it's 6 is excluded. Okay, so also we can use range function by define include and from starting to end range. Okay, so I want to print number between 2 and 6, so 2 is included and 6 is excluded, means 2 let better to explain by run this. See, 2 is included and 6 is excluded. Okay, so we can use this function by increment element or by adding increment element in the range function also. So how we can use that? See, like I want to print number between 2 to 30 but increment by 2. See what happened. Now going to run this. See, 2, then added 2 in plus 2 is 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8. Okay, this is the increment element we put in a range function. So we can also put like 3. So what happened? See, 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Yeah, so this is our range function in loops. And next is nested loop. Okay, so nested loop is a loop inside a loop. The inner loop will be executed one time and for each of the outer loops. So yeah, there is a two for loop in nested loop. Let's okay, better to I'm going to two array. First is a is equal to 1 2 3 and 4. So 4 and 5, let's see. And second array will be b 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, so nested we are going to use nested loop like a x in a, and then another loop y in b, then print x and y. Okay, so see. Okay, I just put this 9.10. Yeah, again I'm going to say this. Yeah, see, first execute first loop will be execute only one time. Okay, for the first time, and then inner loop will be this. So this inner loop will be execute whole array, like you can see 1 6 1 7 1 8. After whole array whole loop execute, then another time this loop will be called. So you can see that. So we can see this main loop will be execute for one time, and another loop will be execute each time. So this is a nested loop. And as we show in function, that pass statement we will use for to ignoring array if there is a no content in a loop. So we can say like 4x in 6. Okay, I'm going to run the okay, it gives the array, but if you want to ignore this array, we can use pass as we use in function. See, it's ignore this array. Okay, so this is all about loops in Python. If you have any questions and doubts regarding this session, then you can put it comment down. I will give you answer. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please like, share and comment. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.